Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup 1098 mortgage interest statements for itemizing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all your 1098 mortgage interest statements for the tax year. Ensure you have the original forms from your lender or mortgage servicer. If you haven't received your statements yet, check your email or online account with your lender. Next, create a dedicated folder on your computer or cloud storage for easy access. Label this folder clearly as 1098 mortgage interest statements. Now, scan any physical documents using a scanner or a mobile app that converts images. Make sure each scanned document is clear and legible. Save each scanned document in the folder you created, using a standard naming convention. For example, you might name them 1098_yourlender_year.pdf. Once all documents are scanned and saved, double-check to ensure you have all statements from each mortgage. If you have multiple properties, repeat the scanning and saving process for each property. Next, it's wise to make a backup of these files. You can back them up on an external hard drive or USB flash drive for extra security. Consider uploading the documents to a secure cloud service as an additional backup. Now, confirm that all files are accessible in both locations. For your financial records, print copies of each 1098 statement to keep in your tax preparation folder. Make sure to store this physical folder in a safe place. Finally, once the backup is complete, check your documents for accuracy before itemizing your tax return. You are now ready to itemize your mortgage interest deductions using your 1098 statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.